Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. We are going to make an exciting soap today. I'm doing a technique that I haven't done with you guys before. This is my Osiris recipe, so the oils are dark because there's bentonite clay, my yogurt, and my heavy cream in there. And I'm going to get this all stirred in really quick. Okay, in my lye water, I have a 50-50 mix of distilled water and aloe vera juice, and I have salt and sugar, which is not completely mixed in there. This soap is inspired by my favorite Guns N' Roses song, which I am currently listening to in one headphone in my ear. November Rain. I love it. I love it. Okay, let me get this to emulsification and we'll go over the colors. Okay. Now I'm going to do the tiger stripe technique with you guys today. And I'm only making one loaf of this because while it does sell, it sells slowly. Well, I mean, yeah, it does. It sells slowly. It sells slower than most of our men's soaps. The fragrance is called Stormy Nights by Nature's Garden. And I'll leave the fragrance description in the description box like always. So we're using lapis blue, crimson, which as you can see, my colors have solidified in my little buckets here. Woo, let's not fall over. I'm going to try to get them as even as possible. I don't think you can see them all, but I am going to try to get them as even as possible for this little technique we are doing today. The fragrance slows down trace, so I was going to mix the fragrance in when I mix the colors, but because I was waiting for the oils to cool down enough, I'm probably going to scrape the rest of this off into the blue. They solidified, so I'm going to mix the color in first. Need some time on your own. Yeah, I might break out into song. Sometimes, well, actually, most of the time when I'm going to make a soap, I'll listen to the song for a couple of times, just to have that additional inspiration. So, alright, let's get mixed while we listen to Slash's first guitar solo. I'm trying to get it off the end of my spatula and off the bottom of there. I'm soaping, usually with this recipe, I soap at about 80, between 80 and 83. And this was 91 when I checked it last, so hopefully it's melting that stuff on the bottom. Let me check. Yeah, it is. Well, and my colors are definitely showing up. Ordinarily I use gray in this, so it's lapis blue, crimson, the caramel butterscotch, and I usually use gray, but I can't find my grays. I just purchased them. I'm not sure if they're upstairs. I have a basket that I keep on my dryer because my laundry room is like right at the top of the stairs, and they may be in there, I don't know. So I'm using Mystic River Purple, I believe that's what it's called, for my grayish color, because it's a really dark purple. So this is going to take me a minute to mix this in here. Come on. I remember at I think it was the VMAs, Guns N' Roses played this song with Elton John, which was sweet. Okay, we'll put a little bit of fragrance in each of them. And And then stir that fragrance in. I'm going to get rid of Judy here. Yeah, I should be able to do my tiger stripe. It's been a while since I've made this soap, probably a good 8 months. So like I said, I mean, it sells a little bit slower than most of our men's soaps. Like, you know, Hotel California I seem to be making all the time. Okay. Which next time I make that, I'm going to make it in my new slab mold. So I might go ahead and film that for you guys, because that's one that I can definitely do with a slab mold. That one sells really good. It's a unisex fragrance, so you know, men and women buy it. Okay, let's see how well I can do this tiger stripe. If I can't do the tiger stripe, then we'll go to plan B, which I don't know what plan B is yet. This has always been a tiger stripe, so let me put my colors in order here. All right, so here is my mold, and I'm going to try to do it from the side so y'all can see it. So, well, I'll do it from this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a stripe down the center with each color, and we're just going to repeat it. Just like the song is repeating in my headphones. There we go, first pass. And I may not bore you with all of the passes here. It just depends on how it goes here. It's looking good. But you don't want it too thin with a tiger stripe. I'll get you out of the way. You definitely don't want it too thin. I had purple in there from doing that. Oh, you know what? I could have brought you guys like over some, like, you know, like around. I'm sorry. Come on, blue, pour. Alright, I'm going to pour the rest of it, and I'll show you how I do the top. Okay, let me wipe my hands off with this washcloth, and we'll do the top. Clean this mold up some. This is that mold that doesn't, like, stay where it's supposed to go. So I'm going to put my colors along the top. Stripedly. Yes, that's a word. A real one even. Okay, our next color. I want to get this to the corner here. And there's an empty spot right there. Right there. Okay. 2 more to go, guys. And then I'll have to bang it when I get these colors in here. Look at that, my washcloth. Okay, and our caramel. Hopefully I have enough of the caramel. I didn't really pour a lot of it. Oh, let's scrape, Sulin, scrape. Let's drive everybody crazy and scrape. Right there. There we go. Okay. Now, banging it down should bring all those colors down. Okay. Now I've got to pull this back out because that doesn't like to stay. Clean off my mold again. And then we're going to take a skewer and we're going to go up and down and 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 up and down. And I'm this skewer is hardly in this soap. And I don't know why it feels like there's more soap on this side. It actually looks like there's more soap on this side as well. So I may have to bang it down again just to get it to do its thing. And hopefully not mess this up pulling on this. Okay, there we go. In 18 to 24 hours, we will see what this beauty looks like. Boy, I got soap on my measuring spoon over there. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I've been waiting all day to cut this. Let's cut our November rain. Ooh, this has been sitting outside the mold for a while, and because it's my Isis and Osiris recipe, it's going to be super, super hard. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I love a tiger stripe. I'm about to do another soap that's a remake for me. That's sort of a tiger stripe, but it's done with a gradient effect. You'll see it soon enough. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it, love it. I'm not listening to the song while I'm cutting it, though. Like I did when I was making it. But now I have the song in my head. Oh my goodness, look at how hard that is. I really can't leave my Isis and Osiris recipe out of the mold for 6 days. Yes, 6 days. Again. Actually, I think it's been longer than that. I have a list over here. When did I make this? Today is the 29th, and I made this on the 22nd. So it's been 7 days. What do you know? Yep. Come on. There we go. So it's pretty much going to be the same way all the way through because, well, it's a tiger stripe. So this is one of the few soaps that I actually bevel. I like the way that it looks beveled. I gotta show you the top too really quick after I cut this piece, and then I'm not gonna keep you. Look at that top. I like the top. So, well, okay, one more piece. Why not? Because we get to hang out when I cut soap anyway. So, wait a minute. Let me get this off of there. Okay. November rain is shedding. It's a typhoon. Is that straight? There we go. Oh my goodness. Let's fight with the soap. Fight it. Fight with it. It smells so good. My son's girlfriend was like, oh my goodness, that smells good. I want a bar of that. Because it is a unisex scent with it being sort of a, you know, I mean, it's a rainy smelling, ozonic kind of smelling fragrance. So, I told her that once they're cured, she can have one. So, come on. I was trying to wait for the wire to come down, and that's not working. Oh, wow. I got a pocket of mica right there. Look at that. You see that? So I guess this is the bar Amber's going to get. Got a pocket of mica right there. It's not going to hurt anything. But, yeah. That's awesome. It's all shiny. Actually, it might come out once I plane them. So, but anyway, all right, guys. I will see you later, and have a great day. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.